Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. In mid-2009, Bremen Machinery and Plate Mill Pent introduced a groundbreaking new plate mill, a 3-roller mill with extraordinary capabilities. Manufactured by Haussler in Switzerland, this specialized machine required an extensive delivery time of 1.5 years and a custom-built foundation to accommodate its immense 320-ton weight. The mill's features enable remarkable precision and efficiency. Before rolling, the flat plate is prepared with slight overlengths on both sides, ensuring accurate edge finishing for a perfectly rounded end result. Precise marking and preheating follow, setting the stage for a smooth cutting process. The overlength is trimmed and the weld edges are precisely applied, resulting in a ready-to-roll plate. Once rolled, the steel hull boasts an external diameter of 2,076 millimeters. Welding these rolled hulls involves a highly productive process utilizing 2 added wires simultaneously, dramatically increasing welding speed. Covered with a powder layer, any excess material is efficiently reused, minimizing waste. The folding capabilities of Plate Mill Pent are equally impressive. Its 3,000-ton capacity and an 8,000-millimeter bending length rank it among Europe's most powerful folding machines. With a bending pressure of 800 tons per meter, it can handle tasks like folding a stainless steel plate 60 millimeters thick and 7.2 meters long into a precise radius. One of the mill's most formidable achievements is rolling a massive 43-ton steel plate. Measuring 150 millimeters thick and 2,230 millimeters wide, this plate was rolled into a 5,000 millimeters diameter, an extraordinary feat of strength and precision. This advanced machinery underscores the vast capabilities and innovation of Bremen Machinery and Plate Mill Pent. From precise rolling to high-speed welding, their expertise continues to push the boundaries of engineering. Spiral machine, screw conveyor machine. Swebend effortlessly bends square or flat iron into precise spirals with Swebend's advanced SB 3-105 machine, ideal for section bending and rolling applications. Designed to enhance the capabilities of the SB 3-140, this machine delivers exceptional performance, making it faster and easier to shape materials. The SB 3-105 can bend or spiral a 70 by 20 mm steel bar to an inner diameter of 300 mm, demonstrating remarkable efficiency while operating well below its maximum capacity. The heat induction process for large-scale metal bending. The heat induction process is a precision technique used for bending large-scale metal components, including pipes, tubes, and beams. This method ensures smooth, consistent bends without compromising the structural integrity of the material. The process begins by loading the metal bar into the bending machine. Once secured, a heat coil is carefully positioned around the section to be bent. This coil generates intense, localized heat, softening the metal at the desired point. Next, a radius arm is set to determine the exact curvature required for the bend, ensuring accuracy for custom or standardized specifications. The clamping section is then engaged, firmly holding the metal in place to prevent any unintended movement during the bending process. The metal is preheated to the appropriate temperature, ensuring it achieves the necessary pliability for shaping. With precision controls, the softened section is gradually pushed through the machine. For pipes and tubes, this step requires additional attention to maintain the integrity of the hollow structure and prevent deformation. The machine adjusts to the material specifications, producing clean, smooth bends. Finally, the finished bend emerges, cooled and inspected for quality and accuracy. This process is widely used in construction, manufacturing, and infrastructure projects, delivering high-strength, precisely bent metal components efficiently and reliably. Heat induction bending combines the power of heat with mechanical precision, enabling engineers to craft customized solutions for a broad range of applications. How to form a cone using a 4-roll plate roll (RMT plate roll). Forming a cone using a 4-roll plate roll requires precision and systematic execution. Follow these steps to achieve accurate results. Start by pre-bending one edge of the plate. Tilt the top roll upward to form the initial curve, ensuring the correct alignment. This step sets the foundation for the cone's desired shape. Measure both the minor and major diameters of the cone. Cross-check them against the required radius to ensure consistency. Proper measurements are crucial to achieving the correct taper and symmetry. Repeat the pre-bending process on the opposite edge. Adjust the roll settings carefully to match the shape of the first edge. This ensures a uniform start to the cone formation. Gradually form the cone by rolling the plate through the machine. Use incremental adjustments to achieve the desired curvature. The top roll may need periodic tilting to maintain the cone's geometry. For precise results, repeat the bending process until the cone matches the specified dimensions. Adjustments during rolling will help fine-tune the shape and eliminate imperfections. By following these steps, you can efficiently form a cone using an RMT 4-roll plate roll, ensuring precision and structural integrity.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.